Alright, before we hop into this video, be sure to check out the last video we uploaded. I will link it right here above. We went into complete depth of repair on my 2007 9.3 convertible that is here in this video, sitting in the driveway under a bunch of snow. So be sure to check it out. There's a lot of information in there, a lot of damage to the car, a lot of repairs. So be sure to check it out. Drop a comment on that video. Hope you guys enjoy the winter wonderland. Very brutal. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, the last episode was the last time we were able to work on a car. We diagnosed everything wrong with the 2007 Saab 9.3 convertible and how much it's going to cost me to repair. In today's episode, you guys are going to watch me do favors for my parents, since they allow me favors of storing all of my cars at their house. So this is the winter storm for 21. I just measured on the deck. We had 20 inches of snow. Yeah, there you guys go. There you guys go. So I'm gonna try to get up to my car to unclear it, or clear it off for later. I'm not gonna go anywhere until tonight. Snow is supposed to stop, so hopefully if I clear it off now, I get most of it. I can stay warm. Stay tuned, should be fun. 2 cars versus 24 inches of snow. Let's do it. Plan. We're gonna pull this car out since they've been clearing the main roads. I'm gonna de-snow it over here, try to back it back in. Let's see if we can do it. It's gonna be hard for me to film all this, so stay tuned. I got in my door. This is gonna be fun. It worked. No problems here. All right. Back in the spot. The plow guy came pretty much at the same time I was cleaning off the car there, and he just took the big broom, swept the dirt off my car, or swept the snow off my car, and plowed the spot out for me too. So we're all set for tonight. Hopefully we can get out of here. He's telling me that the main roads are pretty much good, so as long as we can get out of here, should be all right. If not, we'll have to wait till tomorrow morning. Keep you guys posted. All right, guys, we made it up here this morning instead of last night because it snowed more, as you guys can see. But my dad took care of most of the snow. We just got to uncover the 2 Saabs. He saved that work for me, but we still need to redo the driveway. It's another couple inches since he did it. Let's hop into this. Alright guys, you just watched me. Alright, so you just watched me play with the plows a couple times. The snowplow guys have made quick friends with us. I feel like we're the only ones out here cleaning snow, and then he was like struggling up the big hill, and he was like chatting with me, small talk, and I was messing with him anyways. He came back around and really broke free most of the driveway, which if anybody lives around snow knows that that's the hardest part of the driveway to clean, when they plow it into the end of the driveway. It's all compacted. So here's just a reference for you. That's the snow blower. We have an easy 2 feet right here, maybe more, and That's the 9.5, and over there is the 9.3. So 2 Saabs versus 24 inches of snow. Let's do it. We got this part of the driveway done and my car in finally. It's always a lot of fun to do. All right, let's do it. Back to a time lapse. I hope you guys like this video. Smash that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Yeah. All right, cold start here. See how she does. Put the defrost on, and then what I'm gonna do is clear out the back of this and then pull it into the street and knock all the snow off. No problem. It's a good old Saab for you. All right, back to a time lapse. Boys, getting started for the second one here. Use some live action on this guys. There you guys go. Can't even see the car. I'm gonna fire her up right now. Let's get her going. No problem. All right, boys, that's how it's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick upload. Can't really work on cars right now, so figured I'd give you some sort of fun content here. These Saabs are pretty amazing in the snow here. This thing just, especially the 9.5, just moved like a tank out there and came right back in, no problem. This one, of course, is all good. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a like, comment below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out the Teespring link below if you guys need a hoodie or a t-shirt for the winter and upcoming spring. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.